Hey YouTube, Facebook, right here, AO Cleaning. We are at it again. Today we are doing some carpet cleaning. We got 5 areas of carpet. And as you guys know, we charge $60 per area. And they're going to, on Tuesday, get their tile and grout cleaned. And then we're gonna seal that farm up. But today we're just doing the carpet. So what we're doing. Bedroom here, landing area, steps, and then down there. And then a large living room area. This does count as 2 areas. They got some area here, maybe some coffee spilled, or things like that we'll take care of. Check it out. And this guy right here, guys, will educate you. This is just wear traffic pattern. So any kind of cosmetic wear will not be removed. We will clean it, but anything cosmetic will always remain. Like right there through there, show you. That's what they call wear layer. So when you wear down your fiber yarns with foot traffic and high traffic patterns, you cannot remove that by cleaning, okay? That's cosmetic. But we will remove the soil, okay? That's the big difference. So when a lot of clients ask me, hey Ryan, will this go away? It will improve it, but it won't make it look brand new because it's just worn down. That is cosmetic. So you'll see any areas that is matted and crushed, that will be there, and the fiber yarns are twisted up and abraded. You cannot correct that because they're also cut down with dirt and debris and things that chop them up. So you cannot correct that. That is cosmetic. So free tip, guys. But it will look better, absolutely. So, all right, guys, we got this little area right here, and then of course another bedroom here. So yeah, that's gonna do it. And like I said, we'll come back Tuesday and doing their tile. We also have tile in the kitchen as well. So that's gonna do it, guys. Stay tuned. All right, Facebook, YouTube, I am now pre-treating the carpet. As you can see, it is dwelling, hitting all these high traffic areas. And basically the reason why you want to pre-treat, it actually helps emulsify and suspend the soil load to break that bond to your carpet yarn. So by doing that, we were able to achieve the desired results, and that is clean carpet, okay? In our industry, being certified like we are a certified firm. We are IICRC certified, which means we went to school to learn the trade, what chemicals, equipment, processes, and method to use to properly clean your carpet, okay? That is the industry standard. Now, to keep your warranty valid on the carpet that you purchase, on the terms and conditions on the back, it will state your carpet should be cleaned every 12 to 18 months by an IICRC certified professional. Otherwise, your warranty is void. Most of you guys probably didn't know that. Fun fact. But yeah, that's the truth, guys. You had to hire somebody that's certified. And if you ever have a problem with your carpet, they'll ask for receipts. Say you have, a carpet yarn twist wrong or it's separated under your warranty, whether it's 10, 25 year, whatever it is, they will ask for proof of receipt, guys. And if you can't produce that, then of course your claim is denied and your warranty is void. So for you rug doctor guys out there, if you were in a rug doctor to yourself, thinking you're saving the money and time, you're actually hurting yourself because you're voiding your warranty. The reason why is you don't know the proper formula, chemistry, or pH to keep your carpet where it's in the safe zone. So, fun fact, and a lot of times too, guys, the over-the-counter stuff that they put in those products bleaches your carpet and ruins your fiber yarns. In some cases, it locks it into stains as well. So, another free tip, guys, call a professional and keep it local. All right, guys, thanks for watching. All right, guys, just got done pre-treating. Now we're agitating the fiber yarns. As you can see, it's going well. Stay tuned. All right, guys, finding the well, as you can see, like I always expected, and going great. Look at the hot steam coming out, guys. Holidays right around the corner. Soon to be Thanksgiving. So if you guys are in the market to get your carpets cleaned, or it's been a while, or at least a year, give us a call. We're actually booked up about 3 weeks right now. We typically are in the fall and spring. But yeah, give us a call. We'll get you on our schedule if you're in our local area. We're happy to serve you. We also offer other services, but carpet is our main service since 2003. Look at that, guys. Wow. Also, fun fact, your carpet is the biggest filter in your home. The next is your HVAC system. All right, guys, stay tuned.
Beautiful. So fresh and so clean, clean. Come on, somebody.
All right, guys, got finished with this. Look how beautiful that is, guys. All those stains and spots are gone. Hey, yo, let's go. All right, guys, that's a wrap. All finished up. Check it out. Beautiful. All right, guys, another tip for you guys to add value to you. Again, remember, in other videos I do, there's 3 types of cleaning. There's warranty, there's maintenance, and there's restoration. In this case, it was just maintenance, okay? And the difference is, restoration cleaning means you see the dirt, it's tore up from the floor up, it's really bad, and it's really heavily soiled. That doesn't need to be cleaned, that needs to be restored. In those cases, that definitely be additional. But we mostly do carpets that are look clean already, so that's just maintaining them, and also doing warranty work, meaning to keep the warranty valid, you just clean it every 12 to 18 months. So that is probably the majority of carpets that we do clean. However, there are some occasions where we have to restore it. And I just want to add value to you to educate you guys on the differences. Again, remember, there's 3 types of cleaning. We mostly do maintenance and warranty. All right, guys, have yourself a great day.